Hello, so welcome. Today we are going to produce very effective bleach using hot water method. Yes, it's another method of producing very effective bleach using hot water method that you can start as a business. So today let me quickly introduce you the chemicals that we are going to be using. This is 250 gram of hypochlorite, that is chlorine. So this is 125 gram of sodium sulfate. Yes, we are going to make 15 liters of bleach, and this is my 125 ml of hydrochloric acid, and this is my 2 liters of very hot water, 100 degrees centigrade, very hot water. So, and this is my 13 liters of water, just cold clean water. This is 13 liters. So, and as I told you, we are going to be making 15 liters of bleach today. So what I will do now, I'm going to pour in my hot water inside this my black bucket. Yes, I'm going to pour in the hot water inside this bucket. As you can see, it's very, very hot. You need a very hot water. This is 2 liters of hot water. Then you introduce your chlorine inside it. Yes, so you pour in your chlorine inside it and stir it very well. So you pour in your chlorine inside the hot water, inside the 2 liters of hot water, and stir it very well. Bleach production is very, very simple, and this particular method is very, very effective. Please practice it and send me your feedback. Please, I would like to get a feedback from you using this method to produce your bleach. So you stir it very well so that it will completely dissolve. Stir it very well. So after stirring it for like 10 minutes, then you pour in your sulfates inside the 13 liters of cold water. This one is not hot, as you can see. You pour in your sulfate, sodium sulfate, inside the 13 liters of water, and stir it very well too for it to dissolve. Stir it for like 5 to 10 minutes, please, so that it will completely blend well with the water. So now that your sulfate has completely blended with the water, then you transfer your hot chlorine solution inside the sulfate solution, just as I'm doing it now, and continue to stir very well. Stir it very well, so that they will all blend together. Stir it for like 10 minutes, please. So after stirring it for like 10 minutes, then you add in your hydrochloric acid. Little by little, as you add, you stir. Please do this in a very ventilated area, please, in an open place. Do this in an open place, away from children, please. So follow this step and add in your hydrochloric acid. So right now you stir it for like 10 more minutes and cover it to settle for 24 hours before you can now sieve out your bleach. So cover it. After turning it for like 10 minutes more, you cover it in a place that no one will disturb it. Do not shake it for 24 hours so that the bleach will separate from the residue. So you are going to notice a white residue at the bottom and the bleach will be at the top. So we are going to see it, how we are going to separate our bleach from the main production. So as the bleach settle, what you need to do now, you are looking at it, you will see the down white residue and the top one. The top one is the bleach. So what you need to do is to gently scoop the top one. Yes, you gently scoop it like this. Yes, voila. So this is our bleach. As you have it like this, then you see what is going on. It has become cloudy again. So what you need to do now is to leave it to settle again. So it's a gradual process. You'll be scooping it gradually until you scoop out all your bleach. Then the white residue is not a waste. You can use it to wash your tiles or the back of your pot, whichever one. But as for me, I prefer using it to wash my tiles. So right now, I am going to transfer my bleach now inside my gallon. So this is my bleach going inside my gallon. You see it's very clear. So this is the bleach. So I am still going to cover it. Yes, I'm going to cover it so that it will settle again. You scoop it out until you are done scooping everything.